What happens in a breathwork journey? So I just wanted to make this quick video to explain what you can expect when you attend a breathwork journey with myself or with a different facilitator. So in a breathwork journey, typically we are using a form of conscious connected breathing. This is a form of breathing that connects each inhale to exhale, and you create this circular rhythm with the breath. And this type of breathing actually fills our bodies up with oxygen, with healing prana, which is also known as the life force energy or chi. As we breathe in this way, we fill ourselves with this prana, and it actually flushes through our system, unlocking blocked emotions and stuck energies in the system, in the physical body and in the subtle body. And it helps to release and helps to let us let go of anything we might be holding on to. In a breathwork journey, you can expect to feel physical and emotional experiences. Physically, when we fill ourselves with breath, it sometimes can actually feel like our body is electrified. We can feel this energy pulsating through our body, and sometimes it even results in stiffening of the muscles as we release energy. It can be very interesting if you've never experienced it before. It can feel like your muscles are spasming and they're letting out energy that's no longer serving you. Emotionally, using the breath can help us to release stuck emotions. We might find ourselves laughing or crying or moaning or yelling or making sound throughout the breathwork journey, which is also another way of releasing pent-up energy. During these breathwork journeys, it's often guided with music and of course a facilitator there to help facilitate the experience, help to make everyone feel safe and welcome and at peace with whatever is going on. And at the end of these journeys, you can typically expect to feel lighter, more refreshed, clearer, as if you've set down some weight that you've been holding. So during these journeys, participants are lying on their backs, often in my experiences, in a circle. And the facilitator is walking around, spending time with each participant, sometimes playing music, using Reiki or different experiences to be with the person. And we're breathing from our mouths during this time. A breathwork journey can last anywhere between 15 to 45 minutes, where we are breathing during that time. And of course, before and after the breath work, there's usually some sort of meditation or qigong movement exercise to help get the blood flowing to prepare for the breath. Breath work, using the breath, is one of the most powerful tools that we all have access to at all times. And in these breathwork journeys, you get to experience firsthand this power of the breath. It is actually like a drug. It's like getting high on your own supply. It's like an internal detox, cleansing yourself from the inside out with only the breath. So if you're interested in experiencing a breathwork journey for yourself, or if you have any other questions, please feel free to visit my website, where there's always information about upcoming online ceremonies and ways to get in touch for a one-on-one journey. So I hope to see you there.